Hi everyone, this is Vadim and today I will be making a latte at home, so relax and enjoy this video. So to make a good latte at home we will need a French press and 370 grams of oat milk. I'm taking usually Oatly barista oat milk, but you can also take the same amount of whole milk. 1 bottle of spring water, 2 coffee mugs, this is 14 ounces, and also coffee grinder and from 18 to 20 grams of coffee beans in it. And also you will need a Geyser coffee maker. So let's start making the coffee. So first of all, let's put water in the coffee geyser. Water should little bit cover this valve. Yeah, that's it. And next step is to grind the coffee by coffee grinders, around 30 seconds. So now we already grounded the coffee and we can just heat it a little bit, just to make coffee go down. Now, as you can see, we put all our coffee inside, and it is very important to push it down by the spoon. Very accurate, to not let coffee go out. So you see, we push it inside. So now it's pressed. Coffee is pressed down. So let's go to the next step. So just making it screwing. Okay. Our coffee maker is ready to make an espresso. So we just put it on the stove and turn the stove off. So it is important to make the power of a stove like small, like 25% is okay, not more. If we will make a power like 50% or maximum power, the water will boil very fast and go up very fast, and you will not get a strong coffee, you will get like a watery, shitty coffee. So we waited for around 10 minutes, and as you can see, the espresso started to coming out from this tube. So we will need around 2 more minutes to make it go out all. So we have waited for a few more minutes, and as you can hear, there is a like pleasant sound of geyser. This means that coffee almost done. You see? It's really cool. So let's put exact amount of espresso to our coffee mugs. Okay, so now we have coffee, and the only thing we should do is just to make a firm foam. Just put the milk inside of microwave and put around 1 minute and 3 seconds, 5 seconds. So now I will show you how to make a foam for the latte, how to make it very firm. We need to take our French press and put this thing down, and just to make it like these movements. Down and up, down and up, down and up. Just feel like you put air inside the milk and just moving it a little bit up. So you like doing it like down and up, down and up. And you see how airy it becomes. Airy and firm at the same time. We should do this like 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Okay, a few more moments. Okay, see you. And our foam for latte is ready. Heat it a little bit. Okay. So now we just need to put it here, inside the coffee mugs. See? Just the same amount. Latte is ready. Let's see what we have. So here is our latte. As you can see, a lot of foam, nice color, and let's try it. Very delicious. Really good. Exactly few minutes before my wife will go back to home from the work. She will be happy to try it as well. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will try to make a coffee at home, to make a latte at home, and I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.